we're gonna pretend this is the trunk of your car. And you're gonna fold it and put it into the trunk of the car.
And what did you tell me?
So what you do?
Go under here.
Yeah, you give that kind of a. So see how that? Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Now you close it. Now you lift it.
Oh yeah. I can handle that. I don't know if I want my husband to know this.
What?
I mean, you'll quit driving me.
Yeah. We'll keep it our secret for now. Now, like, I don't think you could do that with the other one.
Oh, I couldn't. I
Yeah.
absolutely could not.
So now this is where it's important. So as you spread those handles, you got to spread it all the way.
So
we
it
need
goes-
that to click. You can't do it with your fingers.
Did it click?
There
Yeah,
you go.
now it goes.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
And then let's go back out there.
Now,
and
what?
we'll do,
How pricey?
this one's $129.
Let's say it's sold.
Let's head out there.
But you can keep it till you
Yeah.
sell some more.